Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add an extension. First, confirm Chrome is updated and you're signed in so settings can sync. Open Chrome, then click the three-dot menu and choose More Tools if you prefer unpacked installs. Once done, decide whether to use the Chrome Web Store for secure, verified extensions or developer mode for local testing. Make sure you know the extension's permissions before proceeding so you understand what data it will access and why those permissions are required. If you choose the web store, search for the extension, open its page, then click Add to Chrome and confirm the requested permissions. If you're loading locally, open Chrome, //extensions, toggle developer mode on, then click Load Unpacked and select the folder containing manifest. JSON. Be careful. Local installs bypass some store vetting, so inspect code if you can. Once installed, pin the extension to the toolbar for quick access and test its basic functions to confirm it behaves as expected. Finish by pinning the extension and opening its options to configure settings tailored to your workflow. If something goes wrong, disable other extensions to rule out conflicts, clear browser cache, and restart Chrome. If a developer mode install fails to load, check manifest. JSON for syntax errors, ensure correct manifest version, and confirm required files are present. As a final tip, reinstall from the web store if issues persist. That restores a vetted package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.